So I want to show you a SpeedBrace install overview of FastCap SpeedBrace and all the different ways we use them. So first we have the Stealth SpeedBrace HD, very heavy duty. Now in this case, we cantilever it over because the granite will sit here and it will change the fulcrum point really nicely. And it'll be just really, really strong. We got a 16-inch overhang here. We spaced it in about 24 on center. We cut this one because the stove goes right here. And then we put it all in with power heads. Then on this island, we have an unusual situation. We have an island here, we'll have 2 seats, and we needed bracing here for the granite. So we made this custom one out of our 3/4 by 3/4, and we're soon coming up with a brace exactly for this with a 1/4-inch plate here because there's a little tight right here. So we're gonna come up with that with a 6-inch return, 14-inch leg like this out. And you'll be able to install that on the wall or in this peninsula environment. Now on the desk unit here, you'll see what we did here. We have speed braces under there with our cleat supporting everything, getting ready for the granite countertop. So that worked out really, really nice and very clean. We have the fast caps on there to cover the screws, everything put in with power heads. Now let me show you some more cool stuff that we're doing with it. So over here, we have a laundry room. And this is our speed brace here. We have our cleat going along the back. Everything lines up perfectly on top there. This would be a granite countertop here with a stack washer and dryer right there for folding laundry. And then the coolest one right here is this. This is coming into the mud room, and we're gonna make a little seat out of live edge cedar that we actually got out of the log. And then we use 12 by 8 speed braces right here with the cleat, and it's gonna support this bench and it's gonna look gorgeous. So here we go, it's installed. It's not all sanded yet, but you see I've got it all scribed into the wall here. It looks beautiful, super strong. And the cool thing about this is it looks like it's floating. You can't even see the speed brace. You have to get down really, really low to see them. So it's a great application for the speed brace from FastCap, and hopefully this helps you as you do your next install job and you need some creative bracing.